Open up, open up. You'll never trust, even when I tell the truth. You shut down. It's too much, and nobody knows what you hide, what you chose. In a moment of vulnerability, I opened up, told you honestly, but you used my words like ammunition. Fired them back in our next collision. Why do you fear what's real? Why do you run when I feel? Is it easier to break than heal? You push away what's true. Why do you fear but don't feel ill? Burning on harder than feel, but shut it down. It's too much. Hope to you and only tell. Open up, open up. But you never trust, even when I tell the truth. You shut down. It's too much, and only knows what you had, what you chose. I shared a story laced with pain. You laughed like it was some silly game, then walked away when it got too deep, blaming your fears you couldn't keep. Why do you fear what's real? Why do you run? I feel it's easier to break than heal. Push away what's true. Open up, but you never trust, even when I tell the truth. 'Cause for me it's too much, and no one really knows what you chose. Now you regret, now you say sorry, but for what? For breaking